Welcome back. Now, owning a home is not cheap at all, Lord. But with the right help, you can do it. And the city of Toledo wants to help with its home ownership fair, I should say, next weekend. Now, this afternoon, we have with us our Faye Smith from Fifth Third Bank, so we can learn more about the mortgage and pre-approval process. Faye, give me money.
Oh, I wish I could.
Oh, I tried. You heard it here first. But no, tell me a little bit about, because it can be scary, especially when we're talking interest rates, them being high, mortgages, loan applications, the whole nine. Where does somebody start?
I prefer if they start with home buyer education. That is the key component. We have two HUD-approved agencies in Toledo. We have NeighborWorks of Toledo and NID Housing. I would say start there as far as getting the A to Z. It tells you everything, because we talk about people as far as getting a mortgage, but the home ownership classes not only tell you how to get a mortgage, what's required, but how to maintain it, the maintenance, retention. So home ownership courses, I think, are ideal for everyone, especially first-time home buyers.
Now, it's scary because that's a lot of money.
It is.
And it's not like I can just, never mind, I changed my mind. Psych. It's like, no, you already put your name down.
Right.
How do you make folks feel comfortable doing this? Because like we said, it's a big step.
It is. So we really explain the process to them. There's a lot of myths out there, and people think that you need a 700 credit score and 20% down. That is not the case. A lot of Americans do not have 20% down.
Oh, thank God.
So there are different products and programs that can assist you with a lower down payment. And with the city of Toledo, they have a Home at Last grant. And a lot of people utilize that program. And fortunately, the city of Toledo's grant, the Home at Last, you can partner it with local lenders' grants. Example, Fifth Third has a grant, it's $5,300.
Hey.
If you qualify for the Home at Last and our grant, you can stack them. So you can use both of them on your purchase. Yes, and there's other lenders in the area that have products and programs that can do the same.
So we're stacking loans now,
Okay.
stacking that money, stacking loans, and then of course we're going to the classes, but I still don't feel safe, equipped. I feel like maybe I'm in over my head. What do you tell folks when it comes to just doing this?
We have a serious discussion. What is your affordability? Okay, so if they're paying rent, my question is, how much are you paying in rent? And when we pre-approve somebody, I could say, oh, you qualify for $900 a month. But is that a comfortable payment for you? See, I don't know that. You may have childcare. You have your car insurance, so there are other factors. So we really take them, we take them really from A to Z, as far, even as a lender, because we go over everything. We're gonna review your credit with you. We're gonna let you know, because sometimes people have challenges. So sometimes it's never a no, but there are times that it's not today.
Okay.
So we may say, okay, we have a few things we need to work on. Let's pay off some debt. Maybe we need to save a little money, and then we can revisit 3 months or 6 months. So that's what we really do as far as trying to really prepare and give the potential homeowner the information needed.
I feel like this is an obvious question and answer, but it's just like, but this seems like so much, Faye. Oh my God, the stress on my mind, the stress on my heart. But what is the benefit? Like, why should I just own a home versus renting? Because, I got a landlord, thank goodness, that'll take care of that leaky pipe or whatnot. But why should I own?
Oh, this is the easy one.
Go ahead.
To build wealth. That is the easiest route to wealth, is home ownership. You're building equity, and I will be very transparent. I was the same way when I purchased my home. I was like, I don't want to, if the refrigerator breaks or the furnace, I don't want to be responsible for that. But that's where home warranties come into play. Get a home warranty. Most of the time when you purchase a home, it comes with one. Just renew it. $500-600 is worth it. So if you have an issue and you call the home warranty company, you pay, I don't know, $100, $200 for the repair, and then the repair is fixed. So don't be scared. So I tell people, no. And if you have questions, ask. That's why we're here. We're here to make it easy for you. That's really our job, especially first-time home buyers. That's where a lot of the concern and the scare, most time first-time home buyers are scared because they don't, like you said, they don't even know where to start.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so then when it comes to all this, like we said, the first thing, education is key. So we have the home ownership fair. Do we have those details up? Yes, that's the Toledo Home Ownership Fair. You know, Faye, read that to us. Where should we go? What should we do?
It's going to be at Scott High School, June 22nd from 10 to 3. So, and there will be a plethora of information provided that day. So please come out if you're interested in home ownership. I do want to also note that if you are thinking about purchasing a home, and if you're serious, you know, always be prepared with your income documents. That is a huge thing that we ask for, and sometimes people may have difficulties or challenges securing, so that would be one of the first things that you need when you want to get a mortgage.
Bring your papers, people.
Yes.
And then, Faye, will we see you there?
I'll be there. I am actually presenting, and I'll be there the entire time.
There we